Hello guys, this is WRG Productions and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really cool text glow effect. You can use this effect in Photoshop for your any of your designing your posts or anything. Make sure that you have a nice dark background because this effect will be visible if you have a nice dark background. So let's get started. Um, I'm going to go over here in File and I'm going to click New. You can name this document as anything you want. I'm going to name it Glow. Keep the dimensions 1920 by 1080 pixels and the resolution 1080. Keep these rest of these settings same. Hit OK. Now we're going to click over to this new layer icon and we're going to make a rectangle over here just as a dark background. We're going to select the color as black. Keep the stroke none. Now what we are going to do now is just type in our text, hit T to open text. You can make this center aligned. Hit V to place the text in the center. Now what we are going to do is just double click on this text layer over here in this blank space. We're going to have this window, this blending layer options, and we're going to select the outer glow over here and keep these settings similar. The screen, keep this on screen, the opacity at 20%, noise 0, but change this color. You can have different colors for the glow, but it's best if you have the same color of this text. Click on this color, select this text color, and keep the spread 16, size 144, and the rest of the settings same, range 50, and you're going to hit OK, and you will see this really cool text glowing effect. You can also change these, play around with the settings a little bit to get multiple types of effects, but make sure not to overdo it too much. Even 30 is good for the opacity. I kept it at 20%, so it's still looking good. You're going to hit OK, and there you have it. You can also apply this text glowing effect to your shapes. I'm going to select the rectangle from over here and draw a rectangle. I'm going to select the color as this original color. Keep the stroke none. Now just go ahead and copy this uh, copy layer style from the text glowing effect into our rectangle. Paste layer style. You're going to have this glowing effect on this rectangle as well. Look, it looks pretty cool. This is a really nice effect if you want to make your Instagram posts or YouTube backgrounds or YouTube covers, anything. Um, if you want to add some effect to your text. I hope this helps. Please subscribe and like my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.